how to buy VeBetterDAO token. So this token came under the symbol of B3TR. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Now click on markets. As you can see, we'll be able to find the exchange platform. The only is Bybit. So if you have the USDT on your account, you can click on this pair, and if you have the USDC on your account, you can click on this pair. So after you select the pair that you want to go, now click on it and you will be able to redirect it to your account on Bybit to be able to buy this token. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after what you need to do, just click on buy, select the limit, and here you can just type the quantity that you want to buy of that token, as you can see here, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. And now click on buy the B3TR. Now if you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy a B3TR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.